Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the same Microsoft account where the file lives. This prevents cross-account confusion. Once signed in, make sure OneDrive sync is healthy and not paused, because deletions propagate. Open the OneDrive web app or your device's OneDrive folder and navigate to the exact file or folder you want removed. Use search if needed to save time. Now that you're at the file, you're ready for the first actionable move. Select it and prepare to remove it safely. You can delete from File Explorer on Windows or the web interface. Right-click and choose Delete or use the three-dot menu online. If you expect many files to go, pause sync so your network and other devices don't immediately process every change. For items you only want off one device, choose Remove Shortcut or Stop Syncing that folder instead of deleting the cloud copy. Once done, verify the file moved to OneDrive Recycle Bin or Local Trash, so you can still recover it if needed. You finish by emptying the OneDrive Recycle Bin on the web to permanently free storage and ensure the file won't reappear. Make sure any other linked devices have processed the change and remove local cached copies if you want complete removal. If you need to reclaim space immediately, sign out and back in or force a sync. Troubleshooting tip: if deletion fails, check file permissions and whether another app has the file open. Closing that app or restarting the device usually resolves locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.